I am David. I will be narrating this video for NuClamp Systems LLC. The engineers of NuClamp have developed a number of construction attachment devices that provide many new solutions for making connections to steel members. Most applications are found inside of steel structures. NuClamp products save labor and provide many new solutions to attachment challenges. These are all based on patents that we have been awarded. The following video is one of a series that features the testing and options for use for the different NuClamp products and attachment configurations. As part of this video, new and better methods for hanging and attaching members to steel beam structures are presented. These are made possible by combining our beam quake clamp along with our new family of hanger clips. For testing, we use a 40-ton air-over hydraulic H-frame press along with a number of special fixtures to apply forces that best emulate real-world loads. We use a newly calibrated 50,000-pound load cell attached to the press as ram. A digital readout displays the force. This is seen on the right side of the load cell. Dial indicators show movement. We maintain a complete video record of all tests with pounds of force recorded at each 10/1000ths of an inch movement. Data from the videos are charted and graphed in Excel workbooks. This test is part of a series for our single strut quake clamp. This video shows how our simple hanger clip provides a strong loading capacity when used with a short or long piece of strut channel secured by our quake clamps. One bolt is all that is needed to attach the small size hanger clip to near the edge of an I-beam. Small does not mean light duty. The smallest hanger clip shown will support the full load of one side of the clamp assembly. We also will show more complex devices that extend the hanger clip's function. In this first test, we inserted the notched end of the clip in the strut channel. The bolt passing through the center hole of the clamp that connects the two sides of the clamp together capture the hanger clip against the outside of the clamp. The load is mostly carried by the inside of the strut channel, which is held by the quake clamp. The inside of the clamp also contains the strut, so it does not deform where the hanger clip is positioned. One bolt on the hanger assembly holds as much as one side of the quake clamp. Our testing showed an ultimate failure load 12,800 pounds for two ends. This translates to 6,400 per flange side. A hanger clip that uses two bolts through the clamp provides more stability for loads to one side or the other. Special hanger clips are easy to manufacture to meet special needs. In other videos, we show ways to stop most sliding across the I-beam. This opens up new ways for attaching bracing as well as other opportunities for solutions for hard-to-solve problems. In the test videos, the movement of the ram is displayed on dial indicators. The load in pounds is recorded on a spreadsheet at each 10,000ths of an inch movement. In this test, the force is applied to a bar that pulls down on two hanger clips at one time. The measurements displayed are for two clips. While these clips were installed on separate strut channel, the same results would appear if one strut was used with a hanger on each side of the beam. Movement of the ram includes flexing of the press and other hardware members along with the taking up slack between components. This makes up a portion of the initial movement, but at the upper end the movement is mostly due to the movement of the clamp, strut channel, and hanger clips. This way of using quake clamps along with simple hanger clips provides strong methods for hanging hardware in ways not otherwise available. More detailed pictures of how the clips attach will continue to be displayed. The sample clips used on this first test had the hanger attachment holes located too close to the end, which allowed the hole to pull out. A simple design modification to increase the distance of the hole from the edge is all that is needed to fix the clip. In the second test, two clips are stacked together, which resulted in no damage to the clips or strut channel. The one hook end of the quake clamp failed at a load of about 6,400 pounds on one side of the clamp. A pair of basic hanger clips can be sandwiched with a flat object between. This is a way to hang special shapes like an angle or a strut channel in a vertical position. The hole locations in the hanger clip are located to exactly match the standard spacing for the slots in the strut channels. This obviously is a way to strongly hang another strut channel vertically from the edge of an I-beam. Other examples of design variations for NuClamp hanger clips continue to be shown. One clip that uses 2 bolts through the clamps allows other members to attach items such as this angle, which can have special lengths and hole patterns fabricated as needed. The load display is difficult to read due to reflections, so key loads are displayed. Here are more ways straps can be used with hanger clips to hold a variety of load shapes and sizes. They all use the same way to interface with the clamp assembly. The hangers range from simple single bolt styles to more complex assemblies. While most of clip designs shown are displayed on one side of the beam, attaching to both sides can be used to create configurations needed for a variety of attachments and for twice the overall capacity. Our U-shaped hanger clips provide a number of other options. It includes not having to be located just against the clamp. These clips, in addition to providing ways to hang loads, can be used as a connector between the clamp members by using 2 short carriage bolts to eliminate the need for extra long bolts. When a 1/2-inch carriage bolt and nut with a square washer is added to a U-shaped clip, a stop is created that reduces sliding of the whole assembly. For extra gripping by a stop, teeth can be added to the inside of the U-shaped clip. U-shaped hanger clips can slide into strut channels and be secured to one clamp side or remain independent of the quake clamps. The single bolt width clips will work equally well with our new combo grip clamp that is still being developed. Excel spreadsheets and graphs are available to use to evaluate the data for various configurations that use the quake clamps and accessories. Each workbook contains pages for different loading configurations for loads in different directions. For more information, contact Phil Myers. Send an email or call the number shown. You can also visit our website nuclamp.com. If you have special connection needs, NuClamp engineers may be able to help. We may be able help with special testing needed to qualify use.